are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for notifications. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about conditioning and why is it important for you to condition your hair and also how it is done in the right way. So if you have seen in my previous video, I've spoken about shampoo and conditioner. If you haven't watched it, the link is just up right on your screen. And this video is basically telling you how important it is to incorporate the use of a conditioner in your hair care or in your hair wash routine. So I don't know why is it necessary for you to be using a conditioner. Now on the screen you can see the structure of your hair. Well, the cracks that you can see in your hair, that is cuticles. Those are cuticles and they are like, if you got it like, the roofs that you have, tiled roofs. Have you seen tiled roofs? So they are exactly like that. So they are tiled roofs on your hair. Now when your hair is exposed to moisture, they kind of open up a bit, which lets out the moisture from within your hair, and your hair starts to get frizzy, starts to get dry, unmanageable, and that's what happens when it is exposed to a lot of moisture. Now when you're having a shower, again there's a lot of moisture, there's water, and plus there is shampoo. So shampoo is for cleansing your scalp. Now when you use a shampoo, it opens up the cuticles even more. And if your hair is colored and treated like it's bleached, mine is not bleached but it's colored, but if you have colored hair or your hair is bleached, your hair shafts are open even further. So this causes a lot of damage to your hair because you lose a lot of moisture from your hair. Your hair becomes unhealthy. You have a lot of breakage. So you start to notice that you have split ends. You start to notice that your hair is so weak that if you do this, your hair will just break from the center. So all of this needs to be solved. And how can that be solved? You have to seal the cuticles of your hair. And how is that done? You need to use a conditioner right after your shampoo for that. Why? Because when you use a conditioner, the conditioner helps smoothen down the cuticles and shut it completely. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Pantene Pro V Hair Fall Rescue Conditioner. Because in this case, this conditioner has got the Pro V formula. The Pro V formula is a blend of various kinds of vitamins which are essential for our hair, the health of our hair and shine. So it has a blend of vitamins, it has a blend of proteins which strengthens our hair. Now when we use this conditioner after shampoo, the conditioner goes into the cuticles, from the cuticles to there, it goes into the hair. So all the vitamins is basically going inside your hair and the conditioner seals shut your hair. So now all of that is right inside your hair, giving your hair the strength that it needs. And then it seals it creates this protection layer around your hair so that you can you can style your hair, you can just go out there. It is manageable even during monsoons, because monsoon is a time where we actually find it very difficult to manage our hair because of the frizz and humidity in the air. The hair gets too unmanageable, it gets too frizzy, it gets too dry, and it kind of starts to tangle, and it's a mess during that time. So this is a time where you need to use the correct product, and if you are facing hair fall, this is something that you need to use. Because if you can see my hair right now, it is super shiny and super manageable. It's a season of monsoon and my hair just feels so awesome because I have been using the shampoo and conditioner and my hair feels really good, and I don't see any split ends too. No split ends either. Now the benefits of using this conditioner is that first of all, it improves the damage caused by hairstyling. It improves the hair texture. It kind of preserves the natural structure of the hair. It also helps in balancing the moisture levels of your hair. It provides necessary nourishment, nutrients and vitamins and oils to your hair, and it prevents the breakage, or it prevents hair loss which is caused by breakage of hair. So basically, after each use of this conditioner, you will notice that you have softer, shinier and smoother hair. This is made in such a way that can be used on a daily basis. It actually strengthens the hair from within on a structural level. It is suitable for all hair types, so anyone can use this conditioner, and it is very easily available in stores as well as online. So if you want to buy this online, the links are going to be down in the description box. So now, how do we use a conditioner? A lot of us, yes, when we are showering, we are like, okay, we know the fact that the conditioner is not for our scalp and we use it for our hair, but end up using the conditioner right from our scalp, which is not the way it's done. So if you are using a conditioner and you start using it from your scalp, it will start to create a build-up over here on your scalp and you will start losing hair. So do not make that mistake, because a lot of people, kind of use their conditioner on their scalp, which is not the right way to be doing this. You have to be using your conditioner from the mid-length of your hair till the tips. So the conditioner is mainly used for the hair, while shampoo is used for the scalp. So when we have dry and damaged hair, this is the area where we need to concentrate on mostly and where we need to give proper care. So when we are, after we've shampooed our hair, make sure first of all that your hair is not drenched in wet. Towel dry your hair if possible. That's what I like doing. I like just towel drying it so that the conditioner that I'm using doesn't get diluted. When you apply, you need to apply it right from the mid-lengths to the tips, and make sure you keep this on for a few minutes. So a lot of us are impatient in the shower. We want everything to be done very quickly. We shampoo our hair quickly, not really focusing on the cleansing of our scalp. We put the conditioner just anyhow, and then we just wash it off in like 10 seconds. That's not the way it is done. So you need to keep the conditioner on for a couple of minutes, at least 2 to 3 minutes, a minimum. I can say 2 to 3 minutes. While how I like it is I keep, I start washing my hair. I start with the hair wash first, and I wash my hair, shampoo my hair, I condition my hair. I put it up like lightly, put it up in a bun, very lightly, because your hair is delicate when it's wet. So do not put like a scrunchie on top of it and tie your hair tight and all that. Don't do that. Use a clutch, and you can just lightly put it into a bun and clutch your hair up there. And then you take a bath, use your body wash and your body scrubs and all. By that time, your conditioner is working on your hair. So it would be around 2 to 3 minutes after that, or more than that, maybe even 5. 5 is even better. So you keep it on for 5 minutes, then you rinse it off with, I wouldn't say hot water, because hot water again takes away the moisture from your hair. And right now you have just treated your hair with the conditioner. So you do not want to use hot water, but you want to use like lukewarm water. Now cold water is the best. So you want to use lukewarm cold water. Wash it off till the product has completely come off. Never leave any product on your hair. So all the product needs to be off, and then you will find your hair silky smooth. That's all you have to do. Do not, never, I would say never comb your hair right after shampooing it, because your hair is very, very delicate at that point of time and it can break. So never try to do, to tie your hair up and get out of the shower right after using a shampoo, because your hair is really, really delicate after that. So you need to use a conditioner, and you need to seal shut the cuticles of your hair so that you can protect it and keep it healthy. That's all for today, and that was my video, and I hope you found it interesting and informative. And definitely comment below if you didn't know certain things that were in this video, and I shall see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.